Hello Eagle Targeters, welcome back to our channel, where we consistently deliver the latest and fastest updates in the field of current military affairs.
As drone technology proliferates, the risk of collisions in shared airspace increases, particularly for low-flying helicopters. To address this growing concern, the French Armaments Procurement Agency developed the Système d'écoute du signalement électronique, or Electronic Reporting Listening System. This innovative system, designed to detect electronic signals from drones, is set to play a crucial role in ensuring the safety of aerial operations during the 2024 Olympic and Paralympic Games. Between 2017 and 2021, the number of drones in France skyrocketed from 400,000 to 2.5 million. This surge introduced significant risks, particularly for helicopters operating at low altitudes. To mitigate these dangers, regulations now require civilian drones over 250 grams to broadcast their position and a unique identification number via Wi-Fi, effectively creating a virtual license plate. The SéSé system leverages this regulation, using the emitted signals to locate drones in real time. The development of SéSé began with a prototype in 2020, followed by a series of ground tests and successful flight trials by 2022. During the Coubertin LAD II exercise, the system was tested on a gendarmerie C-135 helicopter, demonstrating its capability to enhance aerial safety by detecting drones and preventing potential collisions. The system's success in these tests led to its recognition at the Forum Innovation Defense in 2023, where it won an award for innovation in air and space operations. SéSé is a cost-effective solution, utilizing commercially available electronic components to keep production costs low. It captures Wi-Fi signals from drones, which include the drone's position and unique identification number. This data is relayed to helicopter pilots, providing them with critical information on nearby drone activity, thereby enhancing their situational awareness and reducing the risk of mid-air collisions. As part of the preparations for the Paris 2024 Olympic and Paralympic Games, the French Ministry of Armies plans to equip 10 gendarmerie helicopters with SéSé systems. This deployment aims to ensure the safety of the airspace during the event, where the presence of drones could pose significant risks to both security and operational efficiency. While SéSé's immediate application is focused on the 2024 Olympics, its benefits extend far beyond. The system's ability to provide real-time drone detection and location data makes it a valuable tool for various aerial operations, from law enforcement to search and rescue missions. Its ease of integration into existing helicopter fleets allows for widespread adoption without substantial modifications, making it an accessible and scalable solution for enhancing airspace safety. The development and deployment of the SéSé system mark a significant advancement in airspace safety. By leveraging existing technologies and regulations, the DGA has created a system that not only addresses current safety concerns, but also sets a precedent for future innovations in drone and aircraft coexistence. The planned use of SéSé during the 2024 Olympics underscores its effectiveness and importance, paving the way for broader applications in ensuring safe and secure airspaces.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this show can broaden the knowledge for you and your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help grow this channel even bigger.